Hi everyone, welcome to day 3. Transition to your best version journey and get into the flow state. Think of yourself as a butterfly in a vast garden. Instead of worrying about how long you have, how far you will fly, instead of struggling with the sense of purpose, why am I here? What am I doing? Am I on the right flower? Butterfly would just savor the experience of fluttering its wings from flower to flower, enjoying the vibrant colors, the sweet nectar, the gentle breeze, and all of these. Each moment is a unique and beautiful experience that adds to the richness of its life. The essence of what I'm trying to say is that the world is too good at making us believe that we have to do more, we have to be more, we have to have more, we want more, and all those things. While all these are important to explore our ultimate potential being born as a human, but where is the actual beauty? The actual beauty is not in the purpose or not in the destination. It's in the process, it's in the journey, it's in our experiences. Who worries about a butterfly pondering on its purpose and being useful 10 years down the line? All that matters is how we feel when you see it fluttering its wings and hopping from flower to flower. Just enjoy living every moment. So, you being you in this moment is all that is important. If you are preoccupied, you will just miss the moment, and this moment will never come back, right? And I guess living in this moment consciously and enjoying who we are is everything that makes it fun. So, this analogy emphasizes that life is about the journey, it's about the experiences, it's about the moments we often overlook in the pursuit of our goals and achievements. So each present moment holds its own unique value and beauty, worthy of our full attention and appreciation. But we are constantly worrying about the next part of our life without realizing that we are right in the middle of what we used to look forward to. So let's enjoy every moment. Let's do one thing. Take it as a challenge for the next half an hour. Choose to be completely present to whatever we're doing. If in case you get lost in your thoughts or you get distracted or you lose your presence, restart for another half an hour. Keep continuing until you can seamlessly be present for half an hour. And I'm also going to join you in playing this game, and I'm so excited about it. So now you know that this moment is so precious, and you being you without being preoccupied is the beauty. So you know what to do, right? Love you so much. Bye.